Hello, Fly Babies. Hello, my patrons. Hello, my lions living in our new strength. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Saturday. We have a 2-layer cake. That is our routines, 5 of them: morning routine, laundry, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. And we have our weekly plan. Our basic weekly plan is Family Fun Day. That's our routines and our basic weekly plan. That's our 2-layer cake. Now, if you are working and you have not been able to complete your jobs that you've committed to do after work, then you're going to be doing those today. So you may do as little as one little thing, or you may have to do your whole basic weekly plan for the weekly home blessing hour. You may have to do your grocery shopping. You may have to do your zone cleaning. And you know what? It's still better than it was before. And your house is going to stay clean because you're doing clutter checks, because you're not overwhelming yourself with trying to do too many things at once. So you can still do 2 or 3 hours of work on Saturday and delegate. If you've got that much work to do, then you probably have people that you can delegate some of it to. So delegate and commit to having a really great day. So in the afternoon, you can have your family fun day as well and really focus. And then after dinner, everybody's going to do our after dinner routine like we do every single day. You're going to do laundry. And if you haven't been able to get to your laundry, you may have to have laundry running during the day, all day, Saturday. And you may be helping your spouse in the yard in the afternoon. But listen, you tell them that you're going to stay in the house and do your part while they work in the yard. Maybe they'll get it done by the time you're done. And that's a win-win. They get a clean house, you get a pretty yard. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Saturday, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.